Taradel makes it easy for your business to create and launch streaming ads from the most popular platforms like Hulu and Spotify. Here's how. Once on Taradel.com, click on the green Let's Get Started button. This is the first step, where you'll choose your targeted audience or the people who you want to see your ads. To start, simply enter an address or a zip code. Now you can apply various demographic and geographic filters, such as income, age range, drive time, and more, to help narrow down your ideal customer. You'll then see a heat map of your local area. The red areas are your hotspots. These routes have the highest match rate to your target audience and may be more likely to respond to your offer. As you make selections by clicking on different areas, turning them green, you'll be able to see a summary of total addresses on the right of your map. Once you're done customizing, click Save and Continue. Next, you'll be asked to select where you want to advertise. Click on either Spotify or Hulu to begin, and don't worry, you'll be able to add additional channels to your campaign after. Let's start by customizing your Spotify ads. First, you'll select your daily budget, which is based on a range of impressions. Impressions, which refer to the amount of times your ad is viewed, are crucial in measuring the reach, frequency, and overall success of your ad. You can view your impressions as well as all other key performance indicators on Taradel's reporting dashboard. Through Taradel, you can advertise on Spotify for an average of $50 per 1,000 impressions, with a minimum ad spend of just $500. You'll easily be able to see your range of daily impressions above the slider scale as you choose your budget. Remember, with Taradel, there are no contracts, hidden fees, or setup cost. Next up, design. Taradel provides free creative services for both Spotify and Hulu ads. That means we'll create your streaming TV commercial or radio ad all for you. All you need to do is provide our expert in-house design team with any text, logos, offers, or content ideas you want featured in your ad. You'll receive a design questionnaire to do so after placing your order. Finally, you'll choose the duration of your campaign, 30 days for example, by picking the start and end date. Now you'll have the chance to add any additional marketing channels to your campaign. Let's go ahead and look at building a Hulu campaign. Setting up a Hulu campaign is nearly identical to setting up Spotify, just with differences in pricing. Through using the Taradel platform, you can advertise on Hulu for an average of $100 per 1,000 impressions, with a minimum ad spend of $1,000. Keep in mind, Hulu ads are essentially modern-day TV commercials, so your ads are going to be in the homes and on the TV screens and other devices of users while they watch their favorite shows and films. It's pretty cool. Again, just move the sliding scale to view your range of daily impressions with different budgets. And remember, just like Spotify, ad design is completely free. Okay, now that you know how to launch a streaming campaign, let's look at real examples of both Spotify and Hulu ads created by Taradel. Most of these ads you're about to be shown are for a prep school in Tennessee. The goal of this campaign was to encourage students to enroll in their education program. Both of these ads were highly targeted both geographically and demographically to ensure they reach the right audience. First up, the Spotify ad. You'll notice that the ad immediately starts by introducing the brand, outlining the mission, and conveying some quick information about the brand. It then concludes with a compelling call to action, enroll today, encouraging listeners to take a definitive next step.
Welcome to the College and Career Preparatory Academy, your portal to a promising future. We are student-centered, innovative, and empowering, and here to help you gain the education and diploma you need to succeed. CCPA provides you with the support and supplies it takes to graduate with confidence. Laptops and Wi-Fi are always available, and all programs are free for those aged 18 to 25. Why not get your diploma now? The reasons are life-changing. Take the leap into a brighter future. Enroll today.
Now for the Hulu ad. You'll notice that the Hulu ad has roughly the same script as the Spotify ad, reinforcing a consistent message. However, with the Hulu ad, we get added visuals with a combination of on-screen text and relevant video clips. Additionally, the video consistently reinforces the brand by repeatedly mentioning the business name, as well as keeping the logo prominently displayed on the screen throughout the video.
Welcome to the College and Career Preparatory Academy, your portal to a promising future. We are student-centered, innovative, and empowering, and here to help you gain the education and diploma you need to succeed. CCPA provides you with the support and supplies it takes to graduate with confidence. Laptops and Wi-Fi are always available, and all programs are free for those aged 18 to 25. Why not get your diploma now? The reasons are life-changing. Take the leap into a brighter future. Enroll today.
Ready to create your own streaming campaign? Click the link in the description to get started.